Okay, now sasa I'm sorry nimekaa bila ku reply. I was figuring how I can tulikuwa tumefikia tulikuwa tunataka ku reboot the other machine. Sijui ama ni hii. I've not started it. Okay, reboot the other machine. It's one which is very slow. Kama hapa kasi kwa pole sana. But in the meantime, let's configure this one. Configure it such that tutaenda kwa hii file. Hii file inaitwa kwa uende kwa etc mysql myariadb.config conf.d 50 server.cnf. Then we go to kuna this one byte address iko by default iko 127.0.0.1. hiyo ni localhost. You can either comment or byte address uweke 0.0.0.0, then you save it. Then after saving, we start our MySQL service. After starting our MySQL service, also we need to restart our MariaDB service so that we can sasa MySQL user root hana password. Okay, so we can create a user. Sasa huyu user tunaweza mu access remote, anaweza access remotely. For example, okay, something else before we need, kwa sababu creating user tunafaa tujue IP address ni gani tunamcreatea. So nataka kuangalia IP address show. So and this one 192.168.56.108. so I'm not sure, sijui the host, now the Windows akona IP address gani, but maybe we can try. Juu ni imepewa 108 109 bado haija start, ndio ina start. What about 100? Sijui ni gani should work. I think this one 156.1 hiyo ndo ya Windows. So tuende kwa MySQL, then we create a user. Create user who tuseme user 1 at 192.168.56.1 identified by pass1. User created successfully. Okay, so tukienda kwa Windows, go to our Windows. Shida ya Windows kurun MySQL hiyo ni lazima uende kwa MySQL directory mahali uli install, ama we can just add it to path. We add it to a path, and tuende kwa environment variables. What is our path? This is our path. Then edit our path. We need to create word C. Let me see. Go XAMPP MySQL bin wd. I need this one. To add that path. Okay, so that I can run your MySQL anywhere. Good, it's working, so I can run it anywhere. Sasa angalie huyu tumempea user. Okay, then we have to restart our MySQL. Yes, MariaDB service. We have to restart MySQL service. That's perfect. So MySQL, then MySQL username tumempea Martin ama user 1 tumempea gani sasa? Kai nasahau. User 1 tumempea user 1 password host 192.168.56.1 kwa sababu 08 is our host. Then our password tumepewa password gani? Password. Good, tumeingia kwa database. We are in our database. So like for example, if we show databases, we have these databases in our host. This is our guest sasa Windows, no other remote. Hakuna hiyo command. Kuna show databases. Tuone. Okay. I think I'm in the wrong database. Yeah, I'm in the wrong database. I'm not in the wrong database. The thing is, this user has not been given privileges to access the databases, so we need to grant all privileges on. Okay, ili awe na hizo grant all privileges on every database, everything to user 1 at 192.168.56.1 identified by pass1. Is it pass1? I hope so. There is an error. Identified by grant all on all 2. Yeah. Then we quit. We'll start our MySQL service. Okay. Yeah. Lost connection kwa sababu tumerestart. Let's quit. Let's connect again. Password ikuwa gani? Password. Boom. Database imekuja kwa sababu tumewapea privileges. So you can use one database change, maybe create a table 1, then maybe int id to create table icon id, and varchar 50 could be name. But there's an error between nafaa kuwa int ama integer. Near int create table. Create table. How tulikuwa tuna create table aje? Create table name. Hey, Mr. Google, how do we create table? It's been long, nimesahau creating a table. SQL create table. Create table. Okay. Create table name, column type. Kwani nimefanya nini? Create table name, column name. Kwani integer? Just an int varchar. Okay. What's wrong with mine?